Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today and I hope everyone is being safe. Thank you so much for stopping by. And today I just wanted to share with you my first MZ WALLACE bag. So here it is. I got this last Friday and I haven't opened it yet, so I want to open it with you guys. And this is the mini Metro crossbody bag. So let me open it with you guys. I'm just gonna use my key to open it right here in the middle. Ow. I wish I actually opened it with something else. It's okay. I'm really so excited about this one. I've seen a review of this one on YouTube and I think it's actually a pretty good size. I'll show you. Here we go. This is how it comes in. You know how MZ WALLACE is big on sustainability. So and it came with this tissue paper. Here you go. It just came in this plastic. I'm not sure if it actually has a dust bag, so let me see inside. Open it. It's so cute. This is the dawn color. Right, it comes in black and like a neon pink, but I chose this color. I wanted the black one as well, but I wanted a little more color. This is like a kind of like a dark blue. It's like the dawn color. Here we go. And let's open inside. So it's just how it is. Oh, okay, so it didn't come with a dust bag anymore. Before I used to see some other things it comes with a dust bag, but I guess this one doesn't. And this is the strap. I'm gonna open it for you guys. I'm gonna do the strap first, okay? This is their nylon strap that comes with a leather. There you go. And of course it's adjustable. And I am so loving the color. It's navy blue, but I think there's a touch of purple in there for some reason. But it's such a beautiful color, really beautiful color. Okay, and of course it comes with this handle and with that leather, signature leather trim they have here. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited about this. But you know what? One thing that sold me about this bag is the outside pocket here. There's that like tiny outside pocket here where you can put your phone right there. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get a phone. Okay, so this is my old iPhone. This is the Plus, so it's a little wider, but it does fit outside. And this always comes in handy. This pocket, outside pocket, always comes in handy. Like you can just put your phone there, especially when you're a mom. You just put your crossbody bag. You just want to slip everything right away, you know. So let me put it right there. One more thing. Here you go. So that's the zipper. You see how the bag actually expands for some reason. And of course it comes with this leather trimming. Let me take this out. There you go. I couldn't take it off, but yep. Okay, so that's the inside, and it does come with their pouch. This one, it can hold a lot of things, or like some essentials. It always comes with it. Most of their bags always comes with this pouch. And see how you can just for you not to lose it, it comes with this this lock right here, and just put it inside. Yep. And look at the pockets. I wanted to share it with you, show it to you like closely. There's like 2 side pockets right there. There you go. And another zip pocket inside. Here you go. And you know what? Inside the zip pocket, there's 2 additional small pockets. I hope you guys can see it. There's another pocket right here on the side. So here you go. Again, you can put your cell phone here if you just want to make it like secure with a zipper. But there's so many things. You can put your keys in here, your sanitizer and all that without opening the main zipper, the bag. See, that's just how you carry it. I think this is like a magic bag for me. It feels like, it seems so small, but it's like you can put a lot of things in here. Look at that, so cute. Let me show you how it is with this one. There you go. You can just put it like that or longer, of course. Oh my god, I'm loving it so much. So I'm bringing this to India when we go to the desert next month. And I'm so excited about it because before I used to bring really huge bags because I have diapers, milk, bottles in there. But now I don't do as much because my baby is already almost 5 years old. But the most I bring always in the bag is wipes, or in the car. I mean, it's so hard without the wipes with a little boy. And the wipes, I'm pretty sure I can fit in here. Wallets, sanitizers, I'm even like 1 shirt or shorts for my little boy. And it's so easy to carry and it's so lightweight. Look at that. I love it so much. I'm so excited about this. So thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for future videos. I actually put a link on the description box below, so if you like what you're seeing, you can check that out. And also thank you, because I've been doing other things aside from shop with me. I usually just do shop with me lately, some reviews and unboxing, and I also want to try my hand on personal blog, but we'll see if I can actually do that. Anyway, again, thank you so much, and I'll see you again next time on my next video. Bye.